Hi, somebody on Connect asked me, how do I peel an onion? So I'd like to show you that today. If it has some of the papery coating that can be cracked off, by all means take that off. This doesn't look like it has much that's going to budge, but I think you know what I mean. When it has some of that papery coating, if you can just take some of that off, it'll be a whole lot easier. So on an onion, there is the stem end and then there's the root end. I'm going to cut through the stem end first. My fingers are inside of my knife. Straight through. And then on my root end, I'm not going to cut all the way through. I want to leave that root a little bit intact there. So I'm just going to cut on the inside of it. I don't know if you can see, but the root end is intact. Now from here, I'm going to go straight down. I'm going to put my hand on the top of my knife so that I'm not underneath of my blade, and I'm just going to push through that way. Now you can either peel this by hand, and then that'll come right off. Or you could also take your knife and peel it off as well. And there you have it. That is how you peel an onion. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. My name is Jill.